Good morning, students. After completing the proper noun and the common noun, now I'm going to explain you about the countables and the uncountable nouns. So, what is a countable noun? Noun which can be modified by the numeral. As in, countable nouns are such nouns that can be modified by a numeral and that occurs in both forms, means in the singular also and in the plural also. So such nouns are called as a countable nouns. Okay, can see here also written are those which have the singular and the plural forms. This countable noun, this have both singular also and the plural form also. They can be preceded by number or quantity words. They can be preceded by numbers or the quantity words, means you can count it with the help of numbers. As in, we can separate them individually, but in case of uncountable nouns we can't separate them individually. As in, for example, you can see here that the countable noun, here one bottle also can be there. Okay, and the bottles also can be there. If there is going to be a single bottle, then also you can count. If more than one is there, then also you can count here. So this countable noun, it has both the form singular also and the plural also. So what is a countable noun? The noun which can be counted and that can be modified by a numeral and that occurs in both the forms, that is in singular and the plural forms. Such nouns are called as a countable nouns also. And students, please understand also, try to understand also the concept of these things. Okay, that what is a proper noun, what is a common noun, what is countable and what is uncountable nouns, means like this. Whatever the explanation is being given, just try to understand it. Okay, because the BTL questions can be formed from this only. So now let's come to the you can see here also with number of words, with numbers words, 6 bottles can be here, 2 teachers, 100 women, several women. But here you can't say that is the 100 music, 1000 music, isn't? So this is the basic difference, that they can be preceded by number or quantity words but they cannot, isn't? So uncountable nouns are such nouns which do not have the plural form and they cannot be used with the number words. Okay, they don't have their plural form and cannot be used with their number words, and they cannot be count also. Listen, we cannot count them individually. For example, music, you can see here music. Listen, can we say musics? Not possible. So what I'm trying to say, that the plural of this countable noun is not there, because not possible at all. Furniture, furnitures, wrong. Okay, these uncountable noun, they do not have their plural forms, always they remains the singular. Health, isn't? Health is going to be there. Gold, it will remain gold. Bread, bread only, we can't say breads, isn't? So like this, always it remain singular. And the second thing, that they cannot be used with the number words. For example, if you are saying 2 music, 3 music, 10 furniture, many hills, so like this is wrong. They cannot be used with the number words. With these words, these uncountable nouns, they cannot be used. So what is a countable noun? The things that can be counted and which have the singular and the plural form both, and they can be preceded by number or the quantity words. So such nouns are called as a countable noun. And the uncountables, which cannot be counted, which do not have their plural form and cannot be used with the number words. So such nouns are called as a uncountable nouns. Kindly go through the videos and read this portion also, okay, so that it will become more clear to you. In this, what you have to do in the exercise time, here in this you have to mark the countable nouns as a C and uncountable nouns as a U. Can you see here some words are written and in front of the words this box are made. So in these box you have to write, okay, for the countable C, for uncountable U. So grass, this is uncountable. Okay, you have to write basket, it's countable. C, water, uncountable. U, computer, this is countable. Sugar, uncountable. U, ship, countable. Luggage, it's uncountable. Bag, countable. Milk, this is also uncountable. Sand, uncountable. Coconut, countable. Idea, uncountable, we cannot count them. Choose, uncountable. Knowledge, uncountable. Color, uncountable. Okay, so complete this exercise in your book. So thank you.